the greatest show on earth. My goodness. Isn't it? I mean, I'll just leave it. You guys don't need me anymore. All you need is GBTC. What do you need me for? No. You didn't think I was going live, did you? I'm going live yet. What's up, everybody? My goodness. Have you ever seen anything like GBTC? My goodness. I don't even know what to tell you guys. There's nothing else for me to do. Enjoy the show. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? No, seriously. I don't know about you guys. Like my stream is for what? My stream is for in 13 minutes. My stream's I'm not even supposed to be live. But what am I supposed to do when you call out the hottest stock in the galaxy, the hottest stock in the universe? Of course it's got me whistling right down the road when you're up a ridiculous 30% on the day and you got the arrow straight up and I'm about to go buy me some Bitcoin right now. I don't even know why I'm doing the show. I'm doing the show for you, the people. I gotta go get me some Bitcoin. 5,718 trades. Ooh. This bad boy right here, this has got chicken dinner written all over it. GBTC. In fact, I'm going to leave you guys. I'm going to leave you guys for a bit because we're early. We're early. We're early to the party yet again. We're 50 years ahead of our time. I'm telling you guys. 50 years ahead of our time. So, I'm going to go get ready for the show. While I get ready for the show, I'll leave you guys with some evidence of a show that I did just last week when the stock was much lower. Would you like to see some evidence? I mean, what better way to start the show than with some evidence? Because, there are a lot of guys out there that like to tout that they brought you GBTC first. We know who brought GBTC first. DJ Cloud Ninja. It's true. Told you guys yesterday. When it was at $2.94. shut the door. It was at $2.94. My goodness. Forget chicken dinner. I believe we may be able to get some turkey. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me just get out of the way. It is breaking out. Look at this. $382. Are you absolutely kidding me? Are you joking right now? You're telling me we got to pay $320 just to get us a share? Come on. Give us a life preserver. They gave us a life preserver a week ago, and we didn't take it. But I talked about it. Sure did. We're always the first to the news, guys. Always the first to the news. So let me show you guys where I talked about it, what I said, what we forecasted, because that's what we do here. And as Rich Stradamus, it is my responsibility, my duty, to bring you, the people, the winners. It's true. And, occasionally when I bring you guys winners, what follows sometimes is some chicken dinner. And, chicken dinner's good. Everybody likes chicken dinner.
I've just been at this interesting business conference.
Look at this.
All these 19-year-olds making $70,000 a month. And somebody asked me for my number one tip.
Nice car.
More money. And I believe that is the key to success.
Who's the smart guy?
I do.
Look at the price. $226.
As you see this climb at 226.75 to 226.95 now. The question is, who's watching?
That is the question. That is the question.
I mean, I see the feeds and we get people watching from like 30 to 50 different countries. So the question is, who is taking advantage of these sniper movements and deals that are a 100% buy, top 1% signal strength that I just talked about yesterday? It's true. It's true. I literally talked about this yesterday. Rewind the tapes. If you simply rewind the tapes and you go to yesterday's show, you will find it's almost like Groundhog Day. I was talking about GBTC being the hottest stock in the universe. And what do we have here? GBTC. Now it's down 1,533 trades. Going up. Well, we're talking about it on the show. I mean, could it be possible? Could it be true? Could it be possible that we are finding winners? And let's be honest, even if you had one share of GBTC, you would be winning. Because if the stock goes up 13% a day and it's gone up, and you rewind all the tapes, it's gone up for how many days in a row? I don't know. Like every day since we've been watching it, it's gone up. So it deserves our attention. It deserves our community's attention. I believe when you see something bounce the way that this puppy's bouncing, my goodness. How could you not be wanting to take advantage of the tools of the gods? I mean, I could look at other stocks. There's others out there. And we're going to look at other stocks too.
Why would you want to look at anything else?
I want to know what you see with your eyes. In the rooms. If there's something you see that I got to talk about, let me know. And maybe I'll give you some recognition.
Recognition?
I mean,
do I ever get any recognition?
How about this one?
Who gives me recognition?
NVAX up 16%.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So that was just last week when the stock. Oh my. Oh. Whoa. 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 And another whoa. My goodness. Got me whistling down the road with the GBTC now hitting $404. I'm just getting out of the way, guys. Enjoy the show, guys. I can't change the channel. You guys, right here. Right here. You guys just enjoy the show, okay? I'll be back. Go get yourselves ready. We're at $410. Are you kidding me? Are you guys watching this? Oh my goodness. Wow. $412. Oh my goodness. $414. We are live. I'm just getting out of the way, guys. Seriously. You guys just enjoy. I'll be back. Hold on, we'll give you guys some party music. You guys need some party music? This is the type of music I think our American friends like. I'll be back. $419. Is this even possible? What planet are we on right now? Somebody has to tell me what planet we are on right now where this is even possible. This music is perfect. This is the marching music. This is Anchors Away, people. This is the perfect music for this. $419. My goodness. You're at $225 last week. Oh my goodness, the one that got away. Oh my goodness. And Mr. Holmes got in. Literally, Mr. Holmes got in at $350. I'm looking at him thinking, don't chase Mr. Holmes. Look at Mr. Holmes now, sitting there going, that's why they call me Mr. Holmes. You, my friend, are a scholar. Wow, did I expect this? No, I didn't expect this. This is a full alert of epic proportions. GBTC. Ooh, yeah. I love me some GBTC. I mean, with GBTC, what else do you need? You got Bitcoin, you got stocks. You put them together, you got GBTC. You got the hottest stock in the galaxy, brought to you, brought to me. By who else other than the Cloud Ninja? DJ Cloud Ninja, when it was at $120. Now we see it with our own eyes, flashing. Like, idiot, why didn't you buy me? 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 Flashing, shooting up right before my eyes. At $418, like it's hitting me with a hammer. Like, idiot, why didn't you buy me? Why didn't you buy me yesterday? Why didn't you buy me the day before? Why didn't you buy me the day before that, huh? I'm going up every day. I mean, I do have other stocks for you. As Rich Stradamus, I know these sleeves are shorter. It's true. But as Rich Stradamus, it is my modus operandi to bring you winners. And this is just one winner. And yes, it has put a lot of chicken dinner on the table. We are now at $408. Are you watching the level 2? Did you hear the last video where I said there was 1,000 trades? Have you noticed that the trades has grown to 6,000? Now my question is, who's watching? Who exactly is watching? Because if you're not winning, you must not be watching. Because all I'm doing is bringing you the winners. Ooh, yeah, we bring you winners. And GBTC, don't ever be ashamed of taking your profits, boys and girls. Because if you're buying some GBTC and you're winning, don't be ashamed of taking your profits and running. As you can see here on the level 2, we saw it jump up to a high of $419.95. We right now are live at $406.50, so it's coming back down. Pretty interesting to just watch this. You can learn a lot just from the intraday movements of the stock. Look at it, we're at 402. 402 by 404, 402 by 402, 402.75 by 402.76. If you want to buy this right now, you're buying it at $402. For me, it's just a little bit too expensive for my taste. I want to see it pull back. We've seen it pull back to 180 a week ago. So this is intense to go from 180 to 400. Now the question is this because we have put it on somebody's watch list? Have we put it on the people's radar? I mean, we are starting to grow. We are building organically. The word is getting out. So it is possible that you, the people that are watching, and we know that you're from all over the world, all walks of life that are watching. If you're winning and you're watching, then you're getting a chance to see what's happening here with GBTC because this is pretty exciting. And like I said, I don't really have to say much when this kind of thing is happening because these are the opportunities that we look for in the stock market. What else are we looking for in the stock market? I can joke around and say, ooh, yeah, and hit some buttons and make some noises. I can do all those things. And I can walk around like a clown and I can wear different suits and I can wear different shirts and ties. I can do all those things. I will do that for you, the people. I will do that for you, the people. As we now have hit 398. So that's why you never chase a stock, guys. You watch it. You date it. Because what goes up does come down. There is gravity in the stock market. We've seen this be as low as $60 this year. Now we've seen it run to $400. Now there is no end in sight with Bitcoin, so we don't know how high it's going to go. But you would think that at some point it would retract. At some point you would think it would come back, and it is right now. It was at 419. We're back down now to 395. This is live. Wow. This is pretty interesting. This is like a catastrophic fall. Let me let you guys just watch this for a second. Watch this catastrophic fall. Is this a short here of the century? Let's see. We're at 395. Let's see how low it goes. What do you guys think? This is a hold? Oh, 391. Oh my goodness. What are you guys going to do? If you're holding and it's coming down, you holding or is it... What are you guys doing? We're at 391. 390. Woo! We're getting into 380s, people. Look at all that selling pressure. Do you guys see the selling pressure? Look at that. 3 to 1. See the 1? 1 buyer, 3 sellers. Let's see how low this goes. 4 sellers, 1 buyer. Oh, 389. Oh, 389. Level 2, guys. Are you learning something? This is catastrophic collapse due to the short. Look at the chart. This is live. Where are you learning this, guys? Who else is teaching you guys this stuff? Like, seriously. Like, I want to know. Like, if you guys can learn this anywhere else, please let me know because this is live. This is interactive. This is live on Rich TV Live. And if you guys have something that you want to add, if you guys think that this, oh, look at the sellers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the buyers. 1, 2 at 385. 1, 2, 3 buyers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sellers at 385. So it looks like it's starting to meet some resistance at 385. Let's watch it carefully. This is chaos. It's a war in the markets, people. I want you to learn. See what's up. You want to learn about a new IPO? You want to learn about some other stocks that are hot? Hold on. I'll give you some more information. Just watch the show, guys. Look at the show. Whoa. Look at the show. My goodness. It's crazy. 385. Where's he gonna go? Wow, it's stuck at 385. Look at that. Like a brick wall right there. It's got a brick wall right there at 385. Interesting. Very interesting. 4 people buying it at 385. 4 people selling it at 385. 385.25 by the penny. $385.25 they're buying it. $385.26 they're selling it. The spread has got so tight on this. There's been so many trades. 6,549 trades. When we started talking about this company, it was doing low hundreds of trades. Now, it's gotten into the thousands of trades. Now, I don't want to take the credit for it, but I'm sure that, like, we had to have, like, tiny little to do with it. Maybe a tiny bit. Like, minuscule. The question is, who's watching? Because if you're watching, you must be winning. Because this bad boy, this is a big winner. Now, I know, it's a big boy stock. It's true. But at the end of the day, if you want to play with the big boys, you got to buy the good stocks. And Bitcoin right now is the hottest thing in the universe. In fact, today, after this show, I'm going to set up my Bitcoin cryptocurrency account, and I'm going to start buying me some Bitcoin. It's true. And we're going to actually have a division of our company where we're going to focus on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's true. So we always want to be on the cutting edge of everything when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So GBTC happens to be 9% Bitcoin. And our very own Kenny Lee alerted it to us when it was at $120, probably about a month ago now. Kenny Lee. That guy's a scholar. Let's find some Kenny Lee music and give him some recognition because he deserves it. I mean, he's Kenny Lee. I mean, the man speaks for himself. He's well established with people. People know him. They've heard his music, especially here on my show. And they know how much I love his music here and how much I appreciate it.
Rewind.
Yes, Kenny is a man of many talents, and he also has the skill of the hand. We're up to 394, 391 by 394. It's a war zone now. At 385, GBTC said, no, it's not going down like that. We ain't going down like that. Built a brick wall of soldiers and started fighting back against this short of the evil, sinister shorters, the haters, the speculators. And everybody else knows. You know that today's episode is episode 69? I can't believe we have done 69 episodes. Get your heads out of the gutters, people. My goodness. Every time you say these numbers, they're associated to different things. And some of you people just have your head in the gutter all the time. It's constant. Constant. GBTC up 33%, about to hit 200,000 shares traded. Wow, there it is! Making me want to do the thump and jump. Thank you, Kenny. My goodness. Wow. Kenny Lee, you're a rock star, buddy. You're a rock star. It's crazy. We're at 394. All right, I'm going to show you guys some other stocks. You ready for some other stocks? We're about to hit 400. I'm feeling it. Do we feel 400? Who's feeling 400? Let's watch it jump live. Oh, we have a wall here at 398. We got 3 bids at 395. 4 bids at 395. 5 bids at 395. 2 bids at 396. 3 bids at 396. 2 offers at 398, and then 3 offers at 399, and the 2 offers at 400. My guess, this thing is gonna hit 400. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. I've been wrong before. Let's see if it has the power. What do you guys think at home? We're gonna hit 400? It's a war zone. Will it hit 400? Wow. GBTC. Who wants them some Bitcoin? We're at 399. Are we going to hit 400? 400. Do we see 400? 400. Do we see 400? Do we call 400? We are at... Here comes 399, 400. Do we have 400? We're at 399.96. We're at 399.98. 398.96. Up 36%. Oh, wow. Look at the trades. We're up to 6,895 trades. This is absolutely incredible. Oh, we have not hit 400. We're at 397. Holding off. Wow. Incredible. This is absolutely incredible. Do you see the war that is going on in the market? Do you see the level 2 market depth? The war between the longers, the optimists, versus the shorters, the pessimists, or the flippers, people that are just looking to make a nice little return on their investment, people like you at home. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, because if this stock decided to crater all the way down to $1, the company wouldn't give you your money back. So why would you feel bad if you were selling today when you were up 34% and you see the stock up at an all-time high? So don't feel bad to take your profits and run, people. This is why we're in the markets in the first place, to take your profits and run. And if you see that it's going to continue to rise, you can always buy it again. That's the beauty of the stock. I mean, this stock was at $190 a week ago. Now it's at $393. I can't even believe what I'm seeing. I don't even want to take my eyes off of this one because there's nothing else that really matters. This is the only one that matters. GBTC. Why does anything else matter? Now, I do have more. And after this show, I am running out. And I'm going to go buy me some Bitcoin. I've set up my accounts yesterday. I'm setting me up some Bitcoin. And Rich TV Live, we are going to be leaders in Bitcoin. I promise you guys this. We will be leaders, just like we are leaders in medical marijuana stocks. And we've created the phrase, the Fab 15. And if you guys want to know who the Fab 15 is, just watch the show. You shouldn't have to ask me through my messages. You should know who the Fab 15 is. Come on. You know who the Fab 15 is. And I'll bring it out soon. Trust me, I've loaded up on the Fab 15. So now that I've loaded up on Fab 15, guess what? It's time to load up on some Bitcoin. Oh yeah. It's time to man up and load up on some Bitcoin. And if I can get me some Bitcoin like GBTC, hell yeah, I'm going to get me some GBTC. But when it's up to 391, it's like, man, that's high. That's like, you're up there with like, you're in rarefied air, yo. You're up at 391, you're like, wow. You're like approaching like Amazon and Google and You're higher than Apple and Facebook and Netflix. I don't know, man. It's crazy. Bitcoin. Wow. So, there are more tricks up my sleeves. And as Rich Stradamus, believe it or not, one of the tricks up my sleeve is I actually have more winners. Take a look at SPI, a stock that is SPY Energy. And since we're ninjas, I thought I'd bring it to your attention. SPI on the NASDAQ at 42 cents. Ooh, yeah, up 26%. So I thought I'd bring it to your attention. Now, it's only traded 116,000 shares. It's not anything crazy. But I love to just discover these little diamonds in the rough. Same way I discovered staff. Same way I discovered, thanks to you, Paulo, DYA. Same way we discovered, a little company called GBTC just a few weeks back at $120. And then a week ago we were talking about it at $220, and now it's at what's it at? $393? Wow. Just wow. Now, believe it or not, as Rich Stradamus, I've told you before, it is my modus operandi, my mission, my vision statement as Rich TV Live to bring you winners. I roll at night and toss and turn when the winners are not discovered. But when they are discovered, we must celebrate. We must win. It is our duty, is our destiny to win. And we as community, we as people, we need to come together and we need to save this world from the evil that is taking over this world. And the evil that's taken over this world that is hurting people, innocent people, and taking away our freedom and taking away our future. And the way we're going to do this is by coming together and utilizing the tools of the gods, which is communication, to be able to bring real winners like GBTC to you, the people, live and in real time on the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy, the platform we call YouTube. It's true. It's true. Thanks to you, YouTube, you allow this all to be possible. If it wasn't for you, YouTube, none of this would be possible. But because of you, YouTube, we have a platform to bring the world the winners. You don't even need me. Look at this. Just because of YouTube, look at this. I don't even have to be in the screen. Look, people are watching. People from all over the world, all walks of life, are watching right now. And I'm not even in the screen. What does that tell you, YouTube? That tells you that the people love you, YouTube. They love you, YouTube. Okay? And we love you, YouTube. I love YouTube. From the bottom of my heart, I wanted to propose how much I love and desire you, YouTube. Because without you, I don't believe we would have been able to bring GBTC to the world. And I'll be honest with you guys, I have not bought GBTC. It's true. I know. I feel like an idiot. And I even said that weeks ago, and then I had the chance to buy it, and I still didn't buy it. So I'm an idiot. I'll accept it. So, it's okay. You live and learn. But what do you do, right? You live and learn. So, what do you do now? You just watch it. You watch it, and you wait for the next retreat. And the next day when the shorters decide to come like a bunch of vultures just lurching. Because that's what they do, right? They're just a bunch of just like leeches. You know what I mean? Vultures looking for like a pack of wolves and some meat. Just like, rawr, rawr. Just want to eat it up. Just want to eat it up. You know what I mean? So when they see this get high enough, like when we saw it get to 420, see how fast it went down when it hit that 420 mark? Isn't that crazy? 420. Look at the high of the day. 420. Why is that number 420 so powerful? In fact, I'm going to allow all you stoners right now that watch the show, and we know there's a lot of you that do. I'll let you guys right now spin one up, roll up a bowl, do whatever you got to do. It's cool, man. We're becoming legal worldwide, people. So for us, investing in the stocks, it's like we're in the beginning of a revolution. You don't have to like marijuana. A lot of people that are involved in this revolution, the people that I'm working with that run the CBD company, they don't even smoke. But they love the medicine. They love the fact that we can be behind the scenes and we can save lives. With CBDs, we can save lives, make lives better, make people live longer, eliminate pain, eliminate suffering. And if you're looking for CBDs, well, guess what? You've come to the right place because we're working with a company that is going to be one of the largest CBD companies. Period. End of story. It's true. I gotta learn about CBDs. I gotta study. Do you know about CBDs, THCs, chirpings, CBNs, and CBGs? That's my homework. It's true. And I'm just so busy. I'm such a busy guy. I just haven't got an opportunity to really learn my stuff yet. I feel ashamed. I feel horrible. At the same time, Bitcoin is slapping me in the face every day saying, buy me, buy me, buy me. Buy, 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 buy. Hey, idiot. Why haven't you bought me yet? Hey, you over there. Think you're Rich Stradamus? Why haven't you bought me? You keep talking about it. Wise guy, why don't you buy me? And the reality is, it's a pretty damn good question. I don't really know why I haven't bought it yet. I feel like an idiot. Oh. The one that got away. Please don't run away to like $1,000 on me. Like the other Bitcoin already has. I talked about it yesterday. If you had $5 of Bitcoin 7 years ago, your $5 would be worth $4.4 million. If you had $100 worth of Bitcoin 7 years ago, that would be worth close to $100 million. Like, are you kidding me? $100 to $100 million? How is that even, like, how can you even, like, wrap your brain around that? As GBTC now has come back down to 385, where we saw they had a brick wall before. Seems like 385 is like that magic number that they don't want it to go down further than 385. Seems like there's like a floor here, and every time it goes to 385, there it is again. All the bids line up. So what this could be is people that shorted it from 420 to 385 are covering their shorts at 385 and just sitting there and covering their shorts, sitting on the bid and covering their shorts at 385. Look, there's 4 bids sitting at 385, and those bids have a lot of size. Right now, there's 29 people sitting there at 385. Another 20 sitting there at 385. Another 16 sitting there at 380. Now, would you guys like to see some more winners? Now, I know it is my duty as Rich Stradamus to bring you some more winners. It's a little bit polarizing to watch this right now. I don't really want to take my eyes off of it. It's like watching your baby like win a gold medal in the Olympics. Like that's the only way. It's like the only thing I can like compare it to. Like, don't you think, Kenny? What do you think, Kenny? You think that this is like comparing? Like, what do you think? You know what I mean? Let's be honest. This is like watching one of your babies win a gold medal in the Olympics, right? What do you think? It's not too late, eh, Tony? You think it's not too late? Tony Brown bought it for $350. He thinks it's not too late at $385. Hey, I don't think it's too late either, but it was at $190 last week. I don't know, man. I should have got in then. I don't know. Gotta be smart, man. Can't make irrational decisions. I just can't. Made a lot of irrational decisions. Can't make irrational decisions. Gotta be sniper. Gotta be a ninja. Now, if you got in at 350 and you're up at 380, hey, all the power to you, brother. Man, you know what? I want to get in too. I want to feel good about getting in. I don't want to get in when it's up 31%. I can't do it. Gotta wait to ride it out. Just ride or die. It's down to 381. Here it goes down. It broke through the 385 wall. They had a 385 wall of China, not so more. Now we're going down to 380. Bunch of bids lining up here at 380. It's pretty crazy watching this. Like I said, it's pretty polarizing. It's hard for me to talk to you guys about anything else, but I will. So let's get you guys some other music. This is my Bird Brains music, call me Bird Brains because I didn't buy the stock. My goodness. We got Kenny Lee. We got Jermaine. We got Tim. We got Tony Brown all in the house. What's up, boys? That's the dream team, yo. I think I even saw Angel in the house. Is Angel in the house? Yo, who else is in the house? We got peeps in the house. What's up, peeps? We got a party in the house. Who's up on GBTC? It's crashing down 379. Hey, you guys want to know some more stocks? Let me know if you guys want more. We're building suspense because right after this, I'm running out to put up some money in my account. I'm going to put money in my wallet. There's a machine, a coffee shop, 20 blocks from my house. I got to take money and put it in this machine. Take a picture from my phone and put it into some machine. It's true. I know. It's pretty weird. But that's what I'm going to do. So, that's what I'm going to be running up to do. I'm not kidding. Like, literally right after this show. So, you guys ready for the winner? Didn't I bring this one yesterday? As Rich Stradamus, I believe I brought this one yesterday. M-A-R-A. M-A-R-A. Mara. Pretty sure I brought this yesterday. Now, it is up 20% again yet today. Now, as Rich Stradamus, it is my responsibility, it is true, it is my duty to bring you guys the winners every single day. And since we have such a large community of winners, and so many of you winners love chicken dinner, and so many of you winners love to occasionally have some turkey, I thought I would bring you this winner. And this winner is a NASDAQ stock. Small cap NASDAQ stock. See the trend here? It's at 28 cents. It was up 20% and traded 5 million shares. And it hit a high today of 37 cents. What do you think about this company, guys? MARA. I'm not just going to like run through these winners. I want to make sure you guys actually look at what I'm putting in front of you guys and really watch what's up here. Because these are good companies, guys. Understand. These are good companies, okay? When they're on the NASDAQ, they're at 28 cents. That's always something I have to look at. Just because they're on the NASDAQ and the fact that they're at 28 cents. I'm telling you guys do not understand. They have to be at $3 to $5 or they're getting delisted. Understand that. These guys are fighting for their lives. I don't know. Just wanted to slow down there and make sure that you guys are really paying attention to what's going on here. okay, when I'm giving you guys picks and I'm giving you guys winners, because you're not going to be eating chicken dinners. You'll be eating rice and beans if you're buying stocks that other people are bringing, because all I'm doing is bringing you the winners. My goodness. It's true. Now let's go back to that other big winner, GBTC. Wow, look at this. Crashing down. What did I tell you guys? Down to 368 as we speak. 366 as we speak. Wow. It is catastrophic. My goodness. This is catastrophic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is just crashing down. So I told you guys, you gotta be patient. It's like you got the rock and you're on the ball court. You gotta be patient. You gotta see the floor. Just like LeBron. LeBron sees the floor. Just like Kyrie. Goes and sprains his ankle. Gets back up. Swish. 42 points in your eye. You gotta be a sniper. You gotta be a ninja. You can't chase these runs. And you don't want to buy the dips because that makes you a dipshit. So my strategy, my style, is more to just be like waiting, like a sniper. Just quietly waiting. Like the last time they dipped down to 190, 180, which was like 2 weeks ago. So they made all-time highs. 361. Let's analyze GBTC for a second. My goodness. 100% buy on bar chart, guys. Now, is that 100% buy, top 1% signal strength? Now, if you do not like that, it's okay. If you think that that has no significance, then I beg to differ. I'd put a chicken dinner on it. I mean, didn't I talk about it being 100% buy, top 1% signal strength like a month ago? And hasn't it been a top 1% buy, 100% buy, top 1% signal strength for a whole month? And it's been on fire and the hottest stock in the universe for a whole month. Okay, so let's look at it in a little bit more detail. So take a look at its 3-month chart, okay? I really want you guys to identify what I see here. Now, you see that it jumped, went over 200, made a big move, got to about 250, 260, came back down, went all the way down to 190, and now look where it went. It went all the way up now to where it's got a new all-time high now, where it's currently at, what price are we at right now? Let's take a look. We are at $367, okay? So we're currently at 367. So bar chart hasn't even updated yet to the price because the price is so volatile. The price has exploded up so much. The shorters now have got the meat on the bone, like vultures. Vultures, they saw the meat on the bone and there it is. Eating it alive. This is the opposite of the ooh, this is the ooh, yeah. And this is the oh no. Right? This is the ooh yeah, and this is the oh shit. But this is the ching 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 money in the bank, and then this is the oh shit, I should have sold. So that's what I'm saying. You cannot get emotional with these stocks. You can't. Don't get emotional with these stocks, people. Ever. Don't get emotional. Buy low, sell high. Take your money and run. Live to fight another day. Don't ever get emotional. Don't care. Multiply the wins. Multiply the wins. Get happy with winning. Learn to win. Learn to be happy with winning. Learn to get excited with winning. Looks like it's bouncing back right now at 368. So it might have hit a floor here at 367. Let's see if it either creates a new floor here or if it continues to come down. This is what I'm talking about. Watching a stock live and in real time and trying to determine which way it's going to go. And usually what goes up will come down. There is gravity in the stock market. Not always, but usually. So when you're a trader, you look for trends. And you can't lie to your eyes. So your eyes told you, yeah, this went up like crazy, went up to 420, and now it's come all the way down to 367. So obviously there's a lot of interest. People are excited about it, but not that excited where it should be at $420. Clearly. So that's why it's come back down. So that's why I tell you guys that level 2 is the greatest show on earth. So you can actually see what's going on. The war within the war. Right now it's turning around. It's at 369. There's 3 bids at 369. 2 offers at 369. So it looks like it could be coming back up right now and doing another run up. So, you know, it's like a roller coaster ride. In the meantime, I do have some more winners for you guys, so don't worry. You guys ready? $370. Look at the bids. 5 of them at 370. Wow. Crazy. 7,906 trades. GBTC, if we can get you guys on the show, we'd love to talk to you guys. We would love to talk to you. Get you guys on the show. Tell your story. Make you stand out amongst the crowd. Let everybody know who you are, where you're going, where you come from. I mean, we're talking about you anyway. MARA up 23%. Brought to you by yours truly. Rich TV Live, bringing you the winners every single day. Join the party. Join the team. Get our app. It's free. It's at Google Play. It's at the App Store. Hit that subscribe button. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that like down below and comment on the show, because all I do is bring you winners. And occasionally those winners lead to chicken dinners. And occasionally they lead to a turkey. Now, I do have more winners. Don't worry. Don't be alarmed. I'll put a little spring in your step, I promise. How about this? Take a look at this one, guys. TCS doing 26,000 trades at $5.31, up 27%, and traded 7.7 million shares on the New York Stock Exchange. I love me the New York Stock Exchange. And when you're up 27% and you're at $5, you just had to get my attention. So I decided we start dating. At least start dating. If that's okay. I mean, there it is. We are dating live. And what about Mara? Are we dating? We sure are. What about for SPI? Are we dating SPI? We sure are. SPI now up 32%. Isn't it funny how that happens when it gets on the show and it just starts to climb? A coincidence? Or things that make you go, Wait. Things that make you go, Things that make you go, Spy Energy. Oh, it's a winner. It's got chicken dinner written all over it. Obviously, GBTC, we've been talking about it at $379. We know it's got, forget chicken dinner, it's got turkey dinner. It's got maybe even surf and turf. I think we got some steak and lobster coming out. The way GBTC is performing. We may have to bring out the steak and lobster. It's true. Now, could it be possible, as Rich Stradamus, that I have more winners as we take a look at TCS up 28%, which I brought to you guys first before anybody else on the planet? And could I possibly have any more winners up these very short sleeves? Do you think it's possible that I have more winners? Do you think it's possible that I find more bouncing stocks that you guys can just keep adding to your watch list, putting on your radar so you guys can keep learning, so you guys can start earning? I'm just saying, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? You think it's possible? Let's see. MNGA up 20%. It's a new one. Look at this. Woo! On the NASDAQ at $2.24. And it's up 20% and traded 1 million shares. I've sized her up. I want to date her. We are now officially dating. Hi, I'm Rich. What's your name? You're beautiful. You're absolutely beautiful. Wow. Look at those curves. Give one of those right there. Right? She's got curves. She's got moves, this one right here. You know I love a woman, a lady with curves. Not that I'm trying to discriminate. We don't discriminate here. We love them all. We love you all. Curves, no curves, big curves, small curves. We love them all. And there's someone out there for everyone. I truly believe that. There's someone out there for everyone. So, in this crazy world that we live in, that is filled with people that are fighting and hurting each other and taking from each other and stealing from each other and backstabbing each other. Isn't it incredible that we've created a community where we're actually helping each other, we're bringing winners, we're sharing picks, and we're helping each other every day? So MNGA is yet another winner that, as Richard Ramos, I brought to you, the people, at $2.36 on the NASDAQ that I thought I'd bring to your attention. I really, really like it. Let me bring you one more. Now this one could be a monster. I read today, MNGA, are we dating? Let's just double check. Okay, yes, we are. I have to double check. This one here, this one is interesting. This one deserves its own music. Hold on. This one deserves its own music. It's true. Because this one here, INO, investment, Nancy, Oscar, Eno, INO. This bad boy? My goodness. Inovio Pharmaceuticals, up 23%, traded 24 million shares. Now, the importance of this one is that there's an article that I read today that is giving it a price target of $40. It's true. A price target of $40. Now, I'm in too much of a rush today. I gotta go buy me some Bitcoin. I'm getting in the action. I can't let this go down any further. I'm gonna go get me some Bitcoin today. Okay? So, I'm gonna start dating, I know. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. I gotta go to a coffee shop. I gotta go put money into some kind of machine. Some new futuristic way of investing. And I'm going to get me some Bitcoin pretty much right now. Because I think I brought you guys enough winners. I'm sure you guys have got enough now to put a turkey on the table. Maybe even some surf and turf. Maybe even some chicken. I brought you guys INO. Brought you guys, which is up 24%. And they're saying it's going to $40. That's at $8. Write it down. Let me write these ones down. Just make sure I write this down. Just gotta make sure 1000% I don't miss out, because you never want to miss out on chicken dinner, right? You know, you start going by Bitcoin, you start getting in the Bitcoin world, and you forget about everything else, right? Man, I want me some GBTC. My goodness. The one that got away so far. And I don't like having them get away. Trust me, it eats me alive. My goodness. INO, MNGA, TCS, MARA. You heard them all first here, live on Rich TV Live. GBTC now at 381. You heard it here live on Rich TV Live, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. Because we're bringing you guys the winners, giving you the people a platform to bring the winners live in real time. And look at this, guys. SPI, since I put it on the show, isn't it interesting? Curving up, guys. Look at this. Up 38%, trading 154,000 shares, and trending up live while we speak. Isn't that incredible? Alright, peeps. I'm getting into some Bitcoin. I gotta run. Love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you got some problems with me, oh man, I don't know what to say. All I want is for us to get along. Why can't we all get along? I'm a little Portuguese kid, immigrant. My parents are immigrants from Portugal. I had a dream, and it's turning into reality. It's already come true. And, you know, I'll be honest with you guys, like, These opportunities here, these opportunities are the opportunities of a lifetime. And I always dreamed, imagine, if we could bring an opportunity of a lifetime like this to the people and bring it to them live. Like, the people wouldn't need me anymore. Like, it would be bigger than me. Like, you guys are Rich TV Live. Like, my friend, the freak, the travel freak, is going back on his trip in a couple weeks. And, man, if I bought me some GBTC, I probably could have went on the trip too. So I got to make some moves, guys. I got to make some moves. I got to move some mountains. We're going to move some mountains. We're going to make sure. We're going to make some stuff happen, okay? I promise you that. And when we do this, and we're the first in the galaxy to do it, I promise you, I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. You, the people. You know who you are. You guys in the community. You guys in the room right now. You guys are the dream team. I'm speaking to you. And everybody else, the trolls, I only got one thing for the trolls. You ready? Trolls. You ready? Trolls. How could you hate on a guy that all he wants is for people to get along, for us to not hurt each other, and for our children to have a future, and for everybody from all over the world to get along, and for us to resolve the world's issues, the real world's issues, which is hunger, starvation, disease. These are real world issues. Fukushima. These are real world issues that nobody wants to talk about, and instead everybody wants to focus on the evil. Well, I want to focus on the light. Okay? I want to focus on the tools of the gods, the tools that are going to get us where we want to go, the tools that are going to give us the freedom to do what we want to do in our lives, to go where we want to go. That's what Rich TV Live is all about. It's not about me, it's about you. Rich TV Live has been taken over by the freak. The travel freak has taken over Rich TV Live. My videos are no longer the most viral videos on my channel. And I'll admit it. It's true. So take a look at some of the freaks' videos. If you haven't seen it, maybe I could show you one or two. But it's pretty crazy. This guy has something about him, and his videos are now going more viral than my videos. In fact, not just his video, my own daughter has a video that has gone more viral than any of my own videos. So it's just kind of funny. You never know who is going to go viral on Rich TV Live, and that's the beauty of this platform. Please, guys, continue to send me your videos, continue to send me pictures, continue to share winners, continue to share stocks, continue to share ideas in cryptocurrencies, continue to share new ideas that are innovative in options trading, futures trading. We already have our own futures trading platform. We do that through Ninja Trading. We work with Drew, and now we're creating our own cryptocurrencies platform. So there's so much opportunity now here live on Rich TV Live. It's just bubbling. It's just bubbling. And because we're talking about it every day, and we're on the precipice of it, we're in it. We're swimming in it every day. We are at the cusp of it. We are the leaders of a new frontier. And believe me when I tell you, we are not going to let this pass us by. One way or another, we will get in. One way or another, I will get in. So today, maybe I'm not buying GBTC. Maybe I'll buy GBTC tomorrow. But maybe today I'll buy me some Bitcoin itself. How about that? So, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I love you, GBTC. Now, I can't leave before I speak about a new IPO. It's true. There is a new IPO that is coming out in the market tomorrow on the TSX Venture, I believe. TSX Venture or the TSX. I don't think it's coming on the TSX. I believe it's the TSX Venture. I'll have to find out 1,000%. Let me see if I can find out if the gorilla. Let's see if the gorilla is around. Attila, it's Rich. We are live, my friend. Let me know if you're available. Peace. I got so distracted. So distracted. Bitcoin's got me so distracted. It's got me so distracted. Are you guys ready? This is what we do for the trolls. It's true, Mr. Holmes. That is the right picture in the group chat. 1000%, my friend. For the trolls, we bring out the baby. Notice how the volume has really grown, guys. Really pay attention to this. This is interest. Okay? Very much so. This is interest right here. And this has grown tenfold since we started. Okay? So this is the thing I really want you guys to recognize here. This is something very special here. There's something very special here that's happening. This has the big mo. It's not going to get halted. It's on the OTCQX. It's a really, really, really big boy company. Okay? It's an absolute monster. I absolutely love it. So what is going to IPO tomorrow on the TSX in Toronto is a company called Leaf. They have an app. In fact, I could pull it up right now. I got the app on my phone. And their app's pretty cool. It's actually really, really cool. It's called Leafly. Do you guys have the app? Well, Leafly is going public. It's true. And they're going public tomorrow under the symbol LEAF. L-E-A-F. And you guys heard it here first. You heard it here on Rich TV Live, and we will be watching it tomorrow. LEAF. Going public tomorrow. I will not be buying it unless I see it go down a lot. I really like the company. I think it has huge potential. And I think that it's going to be a monster. So I love the medical marijuana stocks. We are always going to be the leader in medical marijuana stocks, but I also want to make sure we are the leader in Bitcoin. So if we become the leaders in medical marijuana stocks and Bitcoin, I think we're going to be in a really good place. What do you guys think? That's kind of my vision. That's kind of what I see right now. It's kind of like what's kind of like formulating. And CBDs. Definitely being the leader in CBDs, medical marijuana stocks, and Bitcoin. I think that that's enough on my plate that can really just change our lives. So I really got to run, guys. I would love to sit here and chat all day and go all day, but to be quite frank, I got to go buy me some Bitcoin. I can't do this any longer. It's driving me insane. So I'm going to leave you guys with something. A little something. Since the Freak has got 5 videos over 1,000 views. It's crazy. The Freak has 5 videos over 1,000 views. The Travel Freak has 5 videos over 1,000 views. Has done almost 17,000 views with his playlist of videos within Rich TV Live. His one playlist of videos is approaching 17,000 views. His #1 video, girl gets picked up on Sosua Beach, is up to 2,941 views. His #2 video, Sosua Club 59 Classico at Night, is up to 2,613 views. His third video, Sosua Strip Club District, Dominican Republic, is up to 2,295 views. There's nothing dirty with any of these videos. Get your head out of the gutter, people. These are all just videos of him just walking on the street in the Dominican Republic during the day. So what if he's walking down the Sosua Strip Club District? It's not actually a strip club district. It's just the way I use the words. It's magical. It's smart. It's marketing. It's just a strip, and there's a club, and it's a district. Right? It's the Sosua. It's a strip of clubs. It's a district. So, if you look at the video, there's nothing wrong. In fact, we could watch it right now.
I think I'm gonna go to the beach now, right? So
Go to the beach. I'm gonna go get me some Bitcoin. The freak's going to the beach. What are you doing?
How far it is actually from my hotel, and what a nice day and a walk. And you can
Peace.
see this
Keep
is
the
actually
peace, please.
a baseball diamond.
Make love,
right
not
behind my
war.
hotel room. It's actually pretty crazy.
I watch
So,
the freak.
maybe some
I
scouting
watch
for the
Rich
Blue
TV
Jays.
live.
Some good pitchers, good players.
Stay alive.
So,
Buy Bitcoin. Buy medical marijuana stocks. Stay alive. Fight for freedom. We are all one. Don't kill your own brothers and sisters. Don't kill your neighbors. Love your neighbors. Love all humans. We are all connected. Let's communicate. Let's work together. Let's be connected. Let's work together to save this world of the evil that's plaguing
it's one of
us.
the nicest hotels.
I love you guys.
There's the owner.
Thanks.
There's the owner just relaxing.
Gotta love the freak, though.
Have a nice day.
Gotta love the freak.
The boss. So, oh, there we go. Front reception. That's Megalina. And then they staff. Very friendly people. Very nice people. They take care of you. So, alright, so we got this way. Oh, that's the other part of the hotel across the street there. It's the newer side. So, and then we got this way. So we're gonna go. Let's go this way. This way will be a little bit shorter walk. So, to the beach. Whew, damn hot. So, there's a nice little Jamaican spot, restaurant right up in here. So, just want to show you guys real quick. Alright.
The freak makes me want to hit the beach. I don't know about you guys, but it makes me want to hit the beach. So,
words of advice, safety roads, make sure you look both way 5 times. Okay? There's nobody coming. So all my boys right here. Change guys. What's up, boys? So, oh shit. There we go. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, man? Yeah. You're on video right now, son. You're on live TV right now. Rich TV, you're live. So, it's my boy Daniel, man. He's,
Rich TV!
Yeah. He wants a business, guys. So come on down, right on the back of his motorcycle. Oh, looks like he has a little new motorcycle there. What do you got there? Oh, a nice red one, eh? That's very nice, man.
Everybody loves Rich TV Live, guys.
I'm going to the beach right now. So, yeah. So
Everybody loves Rich TV Live.
Video. We live on TV right now, so. Yeah, maybe.